Are you not getting any replies whenever you ask for a referral on LinkedIn? Follow this video for the approach by which you can get confirmed referrals. I am Paramveer Vilku, HCA, MBA in Finance with a decade of experience in auditing and accounting. Over the years, I have helped out many people by providing them referrals and getting them the desired roles. Follow these steps to get one step closer to your dream job. Have a complete LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is equivalent to your resume. This gives the referrer or any recruiting professional a bird's eye view of what you have achieved so far. So, after seeing this video, make sure you update the following. Number 1, a professional display picture with a smile. Number 2, a short headline next to your name with keywords of your core skill sets. Number 3, location where you are based. Number 4, experience in previous organizations. Make sure you list down all your roles and responsibilities. Next, your educational qualifications. Any licenses or certifications you have received so far. And last, any rewards and recognition. Invest time in building a network. This is really important. The more you connect, the high probability you'll get your job via a referral. As I completed my education qualifications, I invested substantial amount of time in connecting with a lot of people on LinkedIn. Luckily, one of them helped me out in getting my dream job. Further, identify people who are active on LinkedIn. People who post about jobs regularly, any current topic or about their organization. These are the people who you really want to reach out first for getting a referral. My experience with LinkedIn has been excellent. I hope so is yours. Now the showstopper or the main section of this video, that is how to get a referral. It's very important to know first what we should not do. Do not send vague messages at any cost. Chances are people will never reply back to you. Some of the examples which I usually get is people just start by saying, I want to be a part of your company, can you help me out? Or, I want to be a part of your STEAM organization, is there a chance can I get in? This never really helps. This shows you haven't done your homework. Instead, what you should do, when sending out a message, introduce yourself in brief. That is who you are, what you have done, that is your core skill sets, which is relevant for the role you are applying for, and the reasons why you are contacting the XYZ person. One tip which I give to everyone is, and this is the most important one, do not miss out on this. Do your homework. Go through the career website page of any organization where you want to apply. Find out the relevant role for you, which suits your profile. From that, make sure you take out the job code, the job link where you saw this particular role for yourself. Have this in the body of your message. This is a game changer and really does wonders for the referrer because he would not have to spend more time in searching a job for you. Rather, you have already impressed him by giving him these details. If you have followed the above steps, chances are somebody will refer you in their organization. If you do not get any reply back, wait for a couple of days before you follow up. Sometimes it might take time for someone to reply back to you. But do not get dejected at any given point of time if you don't receive any replies from someone. This is a part of the process. Keep hustling. Your dream job is just a message away. Thanks for watching this video. I hope I'll bring you more such content in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Take care.